Let us look at proposition number 85 of book 10 of Euclid's Elements. The proposition says to find the first apotome. So let's see how we can find the first apotome. Set out a rational straight line A. Let BG be commensurable in length with A. Now, since BG is commensurable with A and A is a rational straight line, that means BG is rational, and which means BG square is also rational. Now set out two square numbers DE and EF such that DF is not a square number. So DE and EF are both squares, but DF is not a square number. Find C such that DE is to DF is equal to BG square is to GC square. So we are finding the point C. Okay. So BG square is commensurable with GC square. Why? Because DE is commensurable with DF in length. Remember, this is not a square number. DF is not square. So it is commensurable in length. So since DE is commensurable in length with DF, BG square is commensurable with GC square. Now since BG square is rational, so is GC square. DE is to DF is not equal to a number square is to number square ratio. So BG square is to GC square is also not equal to number square is to number square. Means BG is incommensurable in length with GC. So we have BG and GC are rational straight lines commensurable in square only, and that means BG minus GC is equal to BC, and that is an apotome. But that is not what we have to find. We have to find the first apotome. So now find H such that BG square is greater than GC square by H square. It looks complicated, but it's pretty straightforward. H square will be equal to what? BG square minus GC square. And H will be what? The square root of BG square minus GC square. D is to DF is equal to BG square is to GC square. In conversion, we have DE is to EF is equal to GB square is to H square. D is to EF is equal to number square is to number square. Two square numbers DE and EF. So therefore, because of this proportionality, BG square is to H square is also equal to number square is to number square. Means BG is commensurable in length with H. So we can say BG square is greater than GC square by H square, which implies BG square is greater than GC square by a straight line commensurable in length with BG, because BG is commensurable in length with H, and BG is commensurable with a rational straight line A set out. And that is the definition of a first apotome. So we can say BC is a first apotome. So if the objective is just to find the first apotome, then you don't have to go till here. All these steps are required just to prove that it is a first apotome. Okay, so that is proposition number 85 of book 10 of Euclid's Elements. Again, let me remind you, there is a link to a PDF book which describes all these propositions in detail. Please feel free to download it, refer to it, and if you think somebody else can also benefit from it, please do share. That's it for now.